Hey there, future millionaires, ready to unlock the secrets of making money online in 2025. Whether you're looking for a side hustle, passive income, or a full-on digital empire, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing two amazing apps that you can use to earn extra cash right from your phone. So let's dive straight in. Our first app is called Honeygain. Honeygain is the first ever app that allows users to make money online by sharing their internet connection. You can earn money simply by sharing your internet. If you have a stable internet connection, then you could start earning a good sum of money today. Some of you might be having some concerns about your privacy. You don't have to worry about that because this app makes sure your internet is only used by trusted partners. Another plus point about using this app is that it never asks you for access to your drive storage. So it doesn't have any kind of security danger at all. And you can access the web without having to worry about restrictions based on your location. The steps you have to follow are to download this app, then run the app. After that, it will gather bits and pieces of information and give internet access to the users and the businesses. Once that happens, you will start getting paid. So set up your profile today, and you will be earning money by helping other businesses without any kind of hard work. Now let's move on to the next app, which is called Lucktastic. You can see this is proof that they have paid out millions of dollars in rewards and prizes to people. So you might be next. Here are some more recent contest winners you can be next if you log into this specific website, and you can download it on your smartphone right now. It's in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Basically, what you do on this app is you play, win, and redeem this site. Basically, it's a sweepstakes site like right here. They're doing a $1 million jackpot, and this is your chance to win up to $1 million cash. One grand prize finalist will be selected and have a chance to win $1 million. All you have to do is download their app and you are good to go. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.